Dear students, welcome to our biology class. Okay, today we are going to learn the continuation of the previous class. Let's regain agriculture or let's regain our field. Okay, in previous class we discussed about that food security bill and crisis affected the agriculture and different type of good varieties animals and different various agricultural sectors related various agricultural sectors animals plants and livestock management. Today come on farmers be high tech. Come on farmers be high tech. Farmers be high tech. Be high tech. Come on farmers be high tech. What is the meaning of this statement? Okay, haven't you noticed the newspaper report? Farmers in district have been encouraged to enter high tech farming. All farmers to enter to the high tech farming. Here today we are going to study the high tech farming, what are type of high tech farmings, etc. What are the advantages of adapting the high tech farming? First one is can increase the yield, production, increase the production, and first one is increase the production. Can increase the production. With the help of high tech farming, we can increase the production in agriculture. And next one, can control weeds and pests. Weeds means unwanted plants are known as weeds. Weeds and pests. Weeds and pests. Next one, proper irrigation facilities. RRIGATION. Proper irrigation facilities. Next one, availability of good planting material. Good planting material. Availability of good yielding, good variety planting materials. Okay. Next one, better marketing facilities. Okay, that's better marketing facilities. Better marketing facilities. These are the advantages of marketing facilities. These are the advantages of the high tech. We adopting high tech farming. Okay. Yes, climate changing. Next one, climate changing is the important crisis in agriculture. Climate changing is a crisis faced the farmers in agriculture. Okay, the unpredictable climate adversely affected the farmers or affected the traditional farming method. Adversely affected the traditional farming method. Okay, the unpredicted climates adversely affected the our traditional farming method. So, the techniques that helped in the high tech techniques are helped to overcome these challenges, these unpredictable climate changes in the agricultural field. Farmers have to overcome these unpredictable climate changes and unpredictable adversely affected factors from the traditional method of farming. Okay, high tech help to overcome these and gaining the currency nowadays from the unpredictable climates and other factors. Okay, from other factors. Okay, first one of the farming method is in the high tech farming is the poly bag or poly house farming. First one is the poly house farming or the poly house farming അല്ലെങ്കിൽ poly bag farming. First one is the poly house farming come under the high tech agricultural method. First one is the poly house farming. Poly house farming. We can see the polyhouse farming. In polyhouse farming, the special kind of arrangement in which crops of field is partially or completely covered by the polyethylene bags or polyethylene sheets. This is the kind of arrangements in the field. The crops are arranged or covered by completely or partially by the polyethylene sheets. Polyethylene sheets. Inside the polyethylene bags or inside the polyethylene sheets, the temperature and the humidity or adequate temperature and humidity is temperature moisture is polyhouse is constantly regulated or regulated moisture and temperature is maintained inside the polyethylene sheath or poly bags, inside the poly bags. Okay, next, growth of plants become rapid under the poly bags, under the poly sheath or the transparent polyethylene bags. The growth of the crop is very rapidly. Okay, very rapidly. Next one, nutrients are dissolved in the water and plants become nutrients plants through drip irrigation. They supplied the nutrients supplied through the drip irrigation and the pest infestation will be less than the traditional method because the side of the poly bag, this poly house is covered by the net. The side of the poly house is covered by the net. Next one, although the expense is very high in the beginning and crop yield is many things more than that of the regular field. Okay, more than that of the regular field. This is the poly house farming. Okay, this is the poly house farming. Okay, the yield is, the crop is covered completely or partially covered by transparent polyethylene bags and since the temperature and moisture is regulated or constantly regulated and the growth of this plant under the poly bags or polyethylene sheets are rapidly and the drip irrigation is the irrigation method. The nutrients and the content, the manuring, the content is dissolved in the nutrients dissolved in the water. This water is supplied through the drip irrigation and the pest infestation will be also less than the traditional method because the side of the poly bags is covered with the net. And although the expense is very high in the beginning and crop yield is many times greater than the traditional method. Okay, next one, precision farming. In this method of farming, this is the precision method of farming. In this method of farming, the nature of soil, the nutrients content in the soil, pH of the soil and presence of water in the soil, etc. The crop of the field is tested by modern methods. Modern technology and appropriate crops are selected by the cultivation. We can select the appropriate yield, appropriate plant we can select in this method, precision method, and by covering the soil with a plastic sheet, polyethylene sheet, we can see the effectively controlled the weeds and pests. We can see the effectively control the weeds and weeds in the precision method. Okay, this is the method farming. The soil, the nature of soil, the mineral contents of the soil, water content of the soil, pH of the soils are tested. The crop field are present in tested by the modern technology, and the appropriate crops are selected for cultivation, and by covering the soil using polyethylene sheath, and the effectively control the pests and weeds. Okay, this is the precision method. Next one, cultivation without soil. Do you know how to cultivate without soil? Yes, aeroponics and hydroponics. In previous class we studied the aeroponics and hydroponics. Can we grow plants without soil? Okay, the possible to overcome the climate changes and the crisis in agriculture, the climate change in soil texture, in adversely effect of the climate change that convert the texture, change in soil texture, lack of nutrition, lack of irrigation facilities, etc. are the crisis faced to the farmers. This overcome with the help of the without soil, farming without soil. Okay, two type of farming without soils are the aeroponics and hydroponics. First one is the hydroponics. Hydroponics and aeroponics. Hydro means related to water, aero means related to air. In hydroponics, we can see the hydroponics, picture of the hydroponics, plants grown in the nutrient solution. We take a long tight tube and make the hose on this tube, and this tube, the nutrient water or nutrient solution is passes through this tube, and the plants are cultivated inside the nutrient solution. This is known as the hydroponics. The plants absorb the nutrients and other materials for the preparation of food from the nutrient solution that passes through the tube. Okay, we can see the tube like structure, long tube with holes. These holes, the plants are cultivated or fitted in with this hose, and the nutrient solution passes through this tubes, and plants absorb the nutrients from this solution. Okay, this is the hydroponics. Next one is the aeroponics. Another method without the soil farming is the aeroponics. From this picture, aeroponics, the roots are growing downwards the soil, downwards the earth. These nutrients are the nutrients are dissolved in the water, and this water is sprayed towards the roots. Okay, roots of the plants. Okay, in aeroponics, the gross plants are grown in such a way, and the roots are growing to the air, and nutrients are sprayed directly on the roots. The nutrients are sprayed directly on these roots, and this is the aeroponics farming. Okay, this is the aeroponics farming. Okay, students, please listen. In modern agriculture practice, hybrid varieties are to ensure more yielding or more productivity. Okay, there are also arguments that support to return of the traditional agricultural practice because the beneficial to nature and humans also. Okay, please listen. Given below the few indigenous varieties and expand the table collecting informations. Okay, indigenous varieties, that are the native or the local varieties, are present in our surroundings. These varieties also survive the challenges to adverse climatic situations. Okay, these varieties also challenge or overcome the challenge of climatic variations. Okay, some crops and animals, name of animals and varieties given below, and write on your science diary. First one, crop mango. The mango, we also know the mango Moowandan, Kilichundan. Moowandan and Kilichundan are the local varieties or native varieties. It gives the good productivity or good yielding plants. Also native variety. Okay, first one, please write on your science diary. First one, crop. Okay, mango. Okay, varieties. Moowandan, Kilichundan, Moowandan and Kilichundan are the native variety or the local variety that help to overcome the climatic changes and adverse climatic conditions. Okay, next the plantain. Do you know what is plantain? Okay, plantain, Nyalipuvan. Nyalipuvan, Palayankodan. Do you heard this name? Palayam Kodan. These are the two native varieties of the plantain. Next one, the paddy. Oryza sativa or paddy. Aryan നെല്ല്, തവളക്കണ്ണൻ, പൊന്നാര്യൻ. Okay, Aryan, പൊന്നാര്യൻ, തവളക്കണ്ണൻ. These are some paddy varieties, native paddy. Tavalakannan. These are some native paddy varieties. Next one is the, okay, please write on your science diary. Okay, have you finished? Yes, I hope all of you had run these notes, science diary. All of you had wrote the science diaries on the blackboard writings. Okay. Next one is the animals. Cow. The native variety cows are Vechur. Next one is the Kasaragod Kullan. Kasaragod Kullan and Vechur are the native variety or local variety cows. Vechur, Kasaragod Kullan. Kullan. Next one, goat. Malabari. Attapadi black. Attapadi black and Malabari are the native varieties goats present in our surroundings. Next, how to support the farmers, how to market the product of farmers. They get good yielding, good product from the agriculture sector. They sometimes they help to did not market, they did not gain the market for her or his products, not get the market the product. So these marketing problems overcome with the help of supporting organizations. Farmers overcome these problems with the help of supporting organizations and organization through the online too. Okay, what is the helping processes including the supporting organizations? Okay, agricultural societies with our localities, agricultural societies, Krishi Bhavans, Harida societies are example for these supporting organizations. Agricultural societies that help farmers market their products, without the help of mediators, They market their product directly to the customers. They avoid the mediators and gain the proper income. Agricultural society that helps to market their product directly to the customers without the mediators are on rise these days. Okay, facility for storage of these items, facility for storage of the food items or agricultural item, food and other items, food items such as pepper, coconut, arecanut, rice, vegetable, etc. These societies that help to storage or help to give a space for storage of these vegetables, arecanut, coconut, pepper, etc. or the agricultural products. These give the farm for storage. Okay. Next one is the facility to marketing. And shared along with the facility to marketing, they can sell the stored product when the prices are high in the major market of make profit and gain profit also. The loans and low interest, the societies give loans for low interest are also made available to they give loans for the low rate interest for vasting agricultural processes. Okay, for the agricultural processes and manuring and other processes. Okay. Next, organization online too. With the rise of demand of organic product, online organization of farmers are gaining importance. Nowadays, we know the demand of organic product is rises. The organic product demanded. The people demanded the organic product. So, the farmers organization that helps to marketing the organic products through the online shopping. shopping. Organic product can share higher prices than the chemical added products. Thus the modern media open up to only the wide window to the marketing also possibilities, okay, to share knowledge and experience. Okay, dear students, next we are going to the farmers. What is the scientific method? Scientific method includes do you agriculture practice farmers is scientific. What is the scientific method? Method is, please listen this yellow box and read. Scientific method is the identifying the problem of farmers. Identify the problem of farmers and the collecting information through the observation. Collecting information through the observation, experimentation, etc. Identify the problem of farmers and through the experimental observation, information through the observation and experimentation. Analyze the collect the information, formulation the proper inferences and improvement of the inference through the continuous inquiry. Improve the informations from the inference through the continuous inquiry. Scientists follow this method in this scientific method. First one is the identifying the problem, next one is collecting the information through the observation, experimentation, etc. Analyze this experiment collected information, analyze the collected information and formation proper inference and improvement in the inference through the continuous inquiry. Improve the information in continuous inquiry, and scientists follow this method. This method is known as the scientific method. Here science is means to solve the problem of applying acquired knowledge as well as to create better future. Applied the scientific method in the knowledge, applied the scientific problems of applying acquired knowledge in this problem solving and create better future. This is the scientific method. Okay, this is the diary note farmer. We can see the diary and read and write down the inference from this diary on your science diary. Okay, next type of farming. Okay, here Sunday farming, family farming, group activities in farming. Type of group activities in farming is one is the Sunday farming and next is the family farming. Do you know the type of farming in your locality? Yes. What are the advantages of this? Utilize the Sunday farming and family farming like farming method? Yes. Utilization of barren land. The family members or the society members are utilize the barren lands, the surroundings from the surroundings. Okay. Next one, these barren landings are try to cultivate new crops and yield to gain the products from here. Okay. Next one, the pesticides free food. We get pesticides free food from the surroundings. They joining to do this farming, we get the free pesticides free and chemical free vegetables and fruits from our surroundings. Okay. Next one, exercise of our body. It gives the family farming and the group activities farming or Sunday farming like farming give the humans to for body exercise. Recreation from or gain to family or the regain to farming culture or the culture of our life in earlier culture. Okay, earlier culture. Next one is the reduce the production cost. We can say the family farming and the activities farming. These advantages are the utilize the barren land and the pesticides free food, exercise for body, recreation, and next reduce the production cost, maximum use of available land. Maximum use of available land is the advantages. Next one, there are many people today wish set up their own vegetables garden. Okay, today all of us make or set up our own garden, our own vegetable gardens, our own fruit garden, etc. Okay, the garden, after realizing the seriousness of the health issues from the pesticides and chemical fertilizers, etc., contain pesticide, what are the main obstacles in their way? What are the main obstacles? The set up our own gardens and our own vegetable gardens and fruit gardens and plant farming. Lack of space, availability of seed, availability of good yielding material, planting material, ignorance in nurturing and mannering and watering. Next one is ignorance in nurturing. Plant diseases, different kind of plant diseases affected this our own setting gardens. Okay, setting gardens. This awareness, lack of awareness in the avoid the or prevention of the plant diseases. Okay, these are the main obstacles in the today vegetables gardens, our own gardens and farming. Okay, examine picture and new proper report of collage. Analyze possibilities to overcome above said limitation. Today we overcome these obstacles or the possibilities to overcome above said limitations. Lack of space, availability of seeds, ignorance in nurturing, mannering and plant diseases. How to overcome these above said limitations? First one is the terrace cultivation. Terrace cultivation, grow bag cultivation, vertical farming. These three type of farming methods are an answer, give an answer from lack of space. Okay, now terrace, wide terrace we utilize for our farming or the vegetable cultivation and vegetable planting and fruits plants or planting also in grow bags and in aeroponics and hydroponics also with the help of aeroponics and hydroponics we try to cultivate the vegetables and fruits plants on our terrace. That is the terrace farming. Grow bag cultivation, to make grow bag into new plants and produce pesticides, without pesticides and chemicals, vegetables and fruits from our surroundings. Next, vertical farming. This is the vertical farming. We can know vertical farming with the help like to a hydroponics, and hydroponics and aeroponics, all facilities are utilized to make pesticides, without chemicals, food from our surroundings and make a good life and healthy life. Okay, complete next one, page number 127, crisis and possibility to overcome. First one, crisis, climate is climate deviation or adverse, the climate changes is adversely affect the farmers. This overcome with the help of polyhouse farming and hydroponics and aeroponics. Possibility to overcome the polyhouse farming, hydroponics and aeroponics. Next one, environmental destruction and health problems. scientific application of fertilizers, integrated pest management means IPM. In earlier class we studied what is IMP, integrated pest management, and organic waste disposal. In previous class we studied how to organics waste materials, waste management, how to when the waste how to dictate the waste management, organic waste dispose through the compost pits, okay, and to make the Jivanu fertilizers or micro fertilizers to make from the environmental waste or the health waste, okay. Cost production, integrated pest management, disposal of organic waste, these are the cost production. Crop loss, integrated pest management, high tech farming, these are the possibility to overcome the crop loss, okay. Next one, lack of space, terrace farming, grow bag cultivation and vertical farming are the possibility to overcome the lack of space. Next one, lack of space, fall in price, agricultural society and online organizations are help to control the fall of price in the fall of price. Next one, many issues yet to be discussed. Have you knowledge the experience related to topic previous classes, organized seminar and class recording information? Please write down any seminar about the chapter or the about the fulfill the concept of agriculture in all societies, okay. Write down and take on your collection book, okay, collection book, okay. Next, let us also we can fulfill the concept of agriculture for all the society. Do not forget and prepare diary. First one is volume, okay. Next one is diary notes, variety crop of cultivated mix, the manner. So this farm not even 2 inch of land in lines was that, as the pond is used to irrigation as well as the rearing fish. The space beside the fence which cannot be used to other cultivation used to growing order, and hen, quail and pet birds are reared to on the roof of the house. Through the wise arrangement like this, maximum utilization land and made possible. These are the points to your seminar, okay. Okay. Okay, please extends activities, note the extends activities in this chapter. Cuniculture is related to, what is cuniculture? Cuniculture is related to keeping honeybees, answers. Please note the answers, page number 128. Rearing of rabbits, cultivation of fruits and vegetables, rearing of fish. Okay, what is the cuniculture? Yes, cuniculture is the rearing of rabbits for meat and fur. Okay, keeping honeybees is known as apiculture. Cultivation of fruits and vegetables, horticulture. Rearing of high quality hybrid variety provide high yield. Then what is the need of native varieties? Record your response in this statement. Okay, native varieties also overcome the climatic changes and gives the good yielding also. Okay. Which is the most appropriate way to reduce crop loss due to the pest? Okay, using the high concentration pesticide, protecting friendly pests, participate integrated pest management, applying organic pesticides only, and practicing integrated pest management and applying organic pest only. Okay, lower price during higher yielding, suggested practical solution to overcome this crisis faced on farmers. Yes, avoid the mediators and our products are marketing directly to the customers. Okay, directly to the customers and avoid the mediators, and we get the good yielding for good price. Okay. Next, some simple questions from Sir Atulya. Kerala University make, or the Kerala universities forming hen variety is known as the Atulya. Indosys project Matupeti produced the cattle variety is the Jersey. Next one, Jodi is example for the hybrid variety of dash. Jodi is example for the hybrid variety of the paddy. The native variety of the paddy is Aryan, Ponnaryan, Mundagan and Tavalakannan. Okay. Next one, the hybrid variety of pepper, Pannur one is the hybrid variety of the pepper. Next, dash is the water fern used to microbial manner. Yes, we learned in the previous class Azolla. Azolla is the aquatic plant that's helped to increase the nitrogen content in the soil. Increase the nitrogen content in the soil. Okay. Okay, students, today finish our third chapter in the second part of our textbook. Okay, I hope all of you had understood today's class. Okay, from this class today we discussed about the different type of high-tech farming, and please you study well this chapter. From this chapter we get awareness about the agriculture, and you exercise on this agricultural practice and study well, and more discussion in the time at the time of the Google Meet. Okay, see you.